Hey y'all, so in this video, I am going to be showing you guys how to import a load from Central Dispatch onto Ship.Cars. So as you can see, I have both of my tabs open. I have my Ship.Cars here, and then this is my Central Dispatch up here. And it is really simple and easy. Ship.Cars has made this process very seamless. So I am in Central Dispatch right now, and this is the orders tab. This is the vehicle that has been dispatched to me. So what you want to do is you want to go into view. You're going to click on here. And then as you can see, this is the entire order. It has the carrier information, it has the order information, the company that's shipping it, and you have the vehicle information. Typically, they would put more like the color, the plate, the VIN number, and the lot number. But in this particular order, they just had the year, make, model, and the type of vehicle it is. And then you have your pickup information and your delivery information. If there was any additional attachments like a gate pass, it would be under the additional attachments right here. And then you have like the terms of the contracts on this order sheet as well. So the first thing you want to do is you want to convert all of this into a PDF. And it's pretty easy. You just hit the print tab. Once it opens up this PDF document right here, you're going to go ahead and download this sheet into your computer. So you just download it. You can name it whatever you want to. I'm just going to leave it as dispatch sheet. I'm going to hit save. And then from there, what I'm going to do is go onto my Ship.Cars profile. And then I'm going to hit this button right here that says import, create order. So you want to hit that. Once this loads up, oh, it's asking me to log in again. So we're going to log back into Ship.Cars. And then I did hit that. So it brings me right into this page. And this is like the easiest part about it. You can do a drag and drop. So what you could do a drag and drop, but once you click on that, you just select the dispatch sheet. So we can use it either way. In my case, I'm just going to drag it and drop it. And what Ship.Cars it does is upload all the information that was on that dispatch sheet into the system, so I don't have to manually enter all of this information. Like I had showed you guys previously on the previous page on Central, the VIN number was missing, the color was missing, the lot number and the buyer number, if there were any, wasn't filled out there. So Ship.Cars didn't pick up on that. But if it did have it, it would fill it up right here. And then it's going to have all the information right here, the contact name at pickup, and then the contact person at delivery, their contact information, and then also the contact information right there. It's going to have the payment, the type of payment, the payment method, and then it's also going to have the shipper information. All of that information will be pre-filled, which saves a lot of time instead of now us going manually in and filling out that information. And then in addition to that, it also puts under the dispatch instructions any terms and conditions from the carrier and the contracts. It comes also it'll also pick it up on the Ship.Cars. So once I double check that information, make sure everything matches, the Ship.Cars order, the Central Dispatch order, I'm sorry. So you can see this is the order ID 210 218. If I go back here, 210 218, it matches. It is a 2019 Fiat 500. This is the shipper's information. Then you can hit on the personal contact. If there is any other additional information, it would also show up there. And then once you have all of that, you just simply hit create order, and that should generate an order for you. And there it goes. So now your order was successfully created. You have it right here in the system. And the next step that you could do is just assign it to a driver. And then it'll dispatch that order to whoever driver that you want to have this vehicle picked up. And then they can work it on their end. So as you can see, it is right here under unassigned, and it's a new order that has been created into our Ship.Cars account. So this is pretty much the process of importing a vehicle from Central Dispatch into Ship.Cars. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.